Okay, people, bonjour and welcome to Percé, Quebec, and we're gonna take you today to the Bonaventure Ile Bonaventure or something like that, the island of Bonaventure. And the first thing you need to do before you go to the island, you need to buy the tickets for the ferry, which we already have. And from that, you come to this place, and then you take the ferry, which is about 45 minutes one way. And once you're in the island, you can go crazy. So please join me and my family on this trip. Okay, people, thank you for enjoying that ride. We just arrived here to the island and we're gonna start the trekking, so stay tuned.
Les sentiers qui sont accessibles aujourd'hui, la durée des sentiers, les bâtiments les plus importants que vous allez retrouver dans la zone d'accueil et quelques réglementations. Premièrement, pour vous situer sur la carte, zone de service, zone d'accueil, c'est la partie ici où nous sommes présentement. Oui, bonne journée.
C'est quoi le prix, le code d'accès?
C'est pour le droit d'accès pour l'accès au parc national de l'île. Il faut la séparer. Oui. Parce que vous payez pour les bateaux, mais c'est indépendant de l'île. Pour les droits, vous pouvez monter ici à la maison.
Bonjour.
Les trois, oui. Ok, bye bye.
Okay, people, just keep in mind that because of the pandemic, you have to wear the mask during the ferry ride at all times, and when you get to the island there is a little introductory tutorial in French, and which we understood very slightly. Anyways, and now we're gonna start doing the trekking, but yeah, welcome to this beauty here, the Bonaventure Island. Keep in mind, as you get in the island, there is several trails that you can do. We are going to do La Musée, which is 3.5 kilometers intermediate. So now one of the surprising things here is that I just discovered a little stream of water, but yeah, this is pretty crazy. I'm not sure how big the island is, but it must be big. Okay, and so after walking for like half an hour or so through the forest, finally we can get to see the ocean. And look at the amount of seagulls that you can see over there. I'm not sure if you can see through the camera, but there it must be like 1,000 or 2,000. There's like everywhere. So wow. And I'm sure that if you go down here, boom, certain death. It's just a cliff. So yeah, the whole island, it's just basically a forest. Okay, people, just check it out. Right through the trail there is a lookout point that we're gonna head there right now, and the view is just fantastic. I was so excited taking pictures that I did forget that, you know, this is the best place so far in the trail to take the picture. So Okay, people, we are approaching the birds, and the smell is just, it stinks. The noise is getting louder and louder and louder. I think we're gonna get to see something right now in a matter of a few seconds. But yeah, I have never seen that many birds in my life. Okay, here it is. Holy shit. Wow. Sorry. Take a look at that. And it happens that you actually can get close to the birds and walk right next to them, and that's the whole plan right now. So we are approaching them. Okay, so after you finish walking or go halfway through the trail, you have this huge picnic area where all the birds just congregate basically. And yeah, it's you can't miss this basically. But yes, first time in my life seeing that many birds together. Yeah, like if you like photography, if you like animals, birds, nature, if you like Canada, and if you like Quebec, this is the place that you need to come. And the ferry ride wasn't really that expensive. Coming to the park wasn't expensive either, you know. Overall, you spend like $30. Okay, and so we are like halfway through our trail, and right now we're gonna continue on Le Chemin du Roi. 5 kilometers to go, 90 minutes estimated time of arrival, and yes, you have to come. What do you say, Fernando? ¿Te gustó?
Hermoso, muy lindo, por encima de las expectativas.
Yeah.
Hay que volver.
It's a happy person. Okay, this keeps getting crazier and crazier. Like, it's not just like one colony or something. I have gone past 3 colonies, counting this one. But this one here has a lookout tower over there, which we're gonna go up. And so this is a lookout tower. Oh my goodness. So the top is pretty much the best thing so far. One thing you have to keep in mind is that there's too many flies, but that's to be expected. But yeah, holy shit. Okay, people, take a minute to appreciate this beauty of a bathroom. Can you believe this? It's so clean in the middle of the forest. Anyways, I'm gonna do my business. Just like a word of advice, don't underestimate the trail, because it's 10 kilometers, that's what we're doing, and it's not just flat like we're doing right now. Much of it is just ups and downs, so that takes much longer, gets you tired, plus you need lots of water, but you get to enjoy the beautiful view. And I think we're almost getting into the port to catch a ferry, but we don't have much time, and we're waiting for half the group that is behind because they're too tired. So yeah, this is beautiful. Just FYI, that house there is a Maison Verchette, which contains antiques basically on how that house was doing 100-200 years ago. But right now, because of COVID, you can't go in there. Well, there's a few lookout points over here. This is just beautiful. Okay, people, this is pretty good. We have some
Mira ahí.
where? Okay, they're swimming. There's how do you call this in English? Seals. Is it a seal?
Yeah, seals.
Seals.
No, esos no son seals.
No? What is it then? Wolf.
No, they are seals.
They're seals, right? So yeah, you can see the seals here. This is pretty cool. Keep in mind, you're not gonna see them on the rocks or something. You're gonna see them swimming mostly, because that's what we're seeing right now. You're seeing the seals just swimming in the ocean. There's a family there. And yes, there is so many houses here from, you know, the previous era that you are not gonna miss them. However, just keep in mind that some of them are closed, or actually most of them, but you can still take pictures and enjoy them from the outside. And do remember, in this area we got to see the seals, so keep your eyes open, and I'm sure you're gonna see plenty. So just like right before the dock, there is a cemetery from the island, and I think you can come in actually. So let's just quickly see. There is no sign saying no trespassing, but you know, if there was a sign, you don't come in, you have to respect. Okay, so and this is it. Yeah, what do you guys think? There was a million people buried here. Okay, so there was a chapel and a cemetery from the people that used to live here, but there is no chapel anymore, only a cross. So literally you can spend the whole day. We discovered a few more local points, and like there's so many little houses from before. But anyways, from this lookout point, I'm not sure how deep it goes. Oh, you can actually go all the way to the beach. Oh, that's so cool. You see over there? Boom. Amazing. I just spotted a seal over here, so people check it out. Right there. Okay, people, I have to thank you for watching this whole episode of this beautiful island here in Quebec, and I ask you to subscribe to my channel, leave a positive comment, and please, the most important thing, come and visit. Okay, so see you and enjoy the B-roll that I'm gonna make of the way back. Peace out.